In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion. If you've ever wished you could sketch ideas, map out a quick diagram, or brainstorm visually right inside your Notion page, this workflow will make that possible in just a few minutes. We'll use a web-based whiteboard and embed it into Notion so you can draw directly on your page and have everything save automatically. First, open your favorite web-based drawing tool in your browser. Popular options include Excalidraw, Whiteboard, and Miro. Any of these will work, so pick the one you are most comfortable with. Create a new blank board or canvas so you have a clean space to draw. If you want to collaborate with teammates in real time, choose a board type that supports live editing and make sure your canvas is ready to share. Next, grab the shareable link to that canvas. In most tools, you'll find it under a Share or Invite button. Copy the URL to your clipboard. If your drawing app offers link permissions, set it so people with the link can view or edit, depending on how you want others to interact with the board. That way, Notion can display it properly and anyone with access to your Notion page can see what you draw. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want your drawing to live. Click into the page and type /embed. Choose the embed block from the menu, then paste the link you copied and press enter. Notion will load an interactive window of your whiteboard right inside the page. Give it a moment to render fully the first time. Once the embed appears, resize the window so it fits your layout. You can drag the edges or corners to make it taller, wider, or full width, depending on how much space you need. From here, you can draw directly inside that block. Sketch with the pen, add shapes and text, move elements around and erase as needed. Your changes are saved automatically by the whiteboard tool and reflected in Notion without you having to do anything else. If your board offers a full screen button, use it for more drawing space, then exit full screen to return to your Notion page. And if you collaborate with others, they can open the same page and see updates in real time. That's all there is to it. Open a web-based drawing tool, copy its shareable URL, embed it in Notion with /embed. Resize the window and start drawing. It's a quick, flexible way to bring visual thinking into your notes, docs, and project pages. No extra software required. Thanks for watching.